Alright, guy. This is gone mad. As you can see, this is a high wind. It's coming to New Jersey. We call it high wind in New Jersey. Yeah. Now, you guys see the air. You gotta think about what's gonna happen in New Jersey. It was early in the morning. I just woke up and this truck come. Alright. There's trees moving as you can see. Right now, you see the below, some trees moving. You can see it, but you don't see it. It's dark, still dark, and this flag moving. They say that the high wind warning will be effect at 11 a.m. So that's gonna be crazy. Right now, this is better view, but it's cool. And this is crazy. So I just saying, got high winds coming to New Jersey. This is so bad. You guys don't see the airplane, but let me check. This airplane is flying. You guys don't see, but I zoom in. And sorry. So yeah, guys. This is a high wind, and welcome back to Mega Jordan X. So my channel is not really good now, but my channel will be really good if I've done an upload. They say that there'll be a high wind warning on 11 a.m. in the morning. So this week would be so cold that you live in Antarctica. Right now, some bus coming. That's cool. Whoa! Oh my God! Whoa! That's a cool bus. Yep, that's a cool bus. Hello, guys. I think I'm gonna get inside because right now is 6 o'clock. This is gonna be crazy. Right now is a little bit darker, but it's getting a little bit light, so don't worry. It's gonna be a little bit light. So, yeah, guys. I guess I had to go inside because this is maybe a little bit high wind or something, but I don't know until 11. So, thank you guys, and I see you guys later. And thank you guys to watch my video on Mega Jordan X. And please put comment, subscribe to my channel so that you could be interested in that. Thank you guys, and I see you later.